Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Cash Fix. Thank you very much for liking my videos, subscribes, and I try to get your answers on a timely manner. So today's project, we're working on 2010 Toyota Corolla, replacing the front brake pads and rotor. So stay tuned. Of course, let's go ahead and take the wheels off. It's a 21 millimeter. Remove all 5 nuts from the wheel. Move aside the tire. It's always easier to turn the steering wheel on the other side, the side you're working on. So let's go ahead and turn your steering wheel to the left all the way. It's always a good idea to compress your piston a little bit. So once you remove the bolt, so you will not have friction. So to do that, what you can do, take a flathead screwdriver, stick inside and feel it, the outer edge of the brake pads or the rotor, and pull towards you. Just a little bit, we don't need a whole lot, you see? Now this caliper is already loose. As you can see, your rotor is completely loose. Now go ahead and take this and this 2 bolts off the caliper. It's a 14 millimeter bolt. Pull the bracket off. There you go. Set aside. These 2 bolts, 17 millimeter, this one and this one. Remove these 2 bolts. These are holding the caliper bracket. Let's go ahead and get this removed. You can always secure the rotor with 1 wheel nut. So in this way, it won't fall on your feet or it won't fall on the ground, won't do any damage while you are removing the bracket. So let's go ahead and remove this bolt and remove your rotors off. Remove the rotor, pull towards you. This is a good time if you want to remove your debris, rust, or prior dust before you placing a new rotor on this surface, because if there's something like a broken bolt or rust or something build up, corrosion, so it won't align the back of the rotor with this plate. So it's always a good idea, brushing up, remove the dirt, make sure you clean it good. Go ahead and put the new rotors in place and make sure it's secure with 1 wheel nut. Now let's go ahead and service your caliper. So the first thing, remove the old brake pads, separate them from the caliper bracket, just by pulling it. Alright, I'm using a centric brake pads. I always like eccentric brakes. They work well for me. So they normally comes with the front brake pads or the rear brake pads hardware kit. Always, as you can see, it comes with it. If it doesn't, your brake pads, if it doesn't come with it, so what you need to do, just go ahead and brush off these. Alright. Slide this board and the bottom one. Again, these are 17 millimeters caliper brackets. Torque it as per manufacturer. Our next thing, we need to service the pins. In order to do that, just slide off the boots of the pin like that. And pull the pin out. Same thing with the top one. Pull the pin out with your hand. piston. Keep going, feel free, just press it. That slides your brakes in. On the other side as well, second one. Now go ahead and compress the piston of the caliper. Compress this brake caliper piston with the compression tool. Alright, so go ahead and put your tire back. Make sure you torque the wheel nuts on. And this is how we do front brake pads and the rotor replacement for Toyota 2010 Corolla. The same method apply on the Toyota Camry, some Hondas, some other vehicles. It's pretty much the same. You just have to deal with small stuff here and there, but not a whole lot of difference. So stay tuned for how to replace the rear brake pads and rotors. Also, some of the models of the Corollas has brake shoe in the rear. So also I'll go ahead and make a video for those, for the people who has the LE model or XLE with the rear brake shoes on them. So that's going to be a total different topic, which we'll cover later sometime. Thank you watching for my videos, and thanks for your subscribing my channel. Stay tuned, and we'll be right back with some other videos and some other stuff. Have a good day.